What's going on, you guys? Okay, so this is what's happening. We are in Mentawai Island, which usually it's this beautiful paradisiacal looking island with perfect waves and sand. But today is extremely stormy, so we can't shoot, we can't surf because the waves are not here, and it's just pretty average weather. We're on this beautiful island at a whale resort, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that camera, which you can't see now, that over there, Sony A7 III, 85mm 1.4 Sigma, and we're gonna put our POV mount over here, and we're gonna go explore down the beach, take some cool photos. So welcome to straight beach photography in Mentawai with horrible weather. Alright, this is what we're gonna get. Sony A7 III, little mount, and as you can see, horrible weather outside. It's not wasting any time. Let's just go outside. Alright, we're off. This is what we're shooting with. This is what we're dealing with. Pretty average weather. The water looks horrible. It's windy as fuck. Da-da-da. I think also the tide is very high right now, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to go, because down there somewhere I think the tide is too high to go around the corner, but let's find out. Alright, nothing is really changing here. We have a dog friend over there. This is so average. The light is so horrible. I don't even know how we're gonna make this look good, eh? Ooh, that's so moody. Okay, we're approaching the first little townhouse resort. We got our friend's annoying dog and our friend's Bruce. So maybe we can take some photos of Bruce. Yeah, I'm trying to make the best out of it, but it's just a bit unnecessary, this weather, eh? Look at this dog. Very unnecessary weather. Very. This boat color looks cool. Got some sun maybe coming out soon, but hello. This is kind of cool, this little house. Just tripped on this stupid string. This house is very cute. I wonder if anyone stays in there. I wonder how good the audio is on this DJI thing, because I've been talking to you guys, but I don't know if you can actually hear me because of the wind and the sound of the waves and the wind and stuff. But it is what it is. Okay, here's getting better. Look at this white sand beach. We got that nice palm tree over there. We got some kind of framing here going on, but the tide is very high. I'm a bit concerned because that means I can't really go around too much. I'm gonna have to go maybe in the jungle, which is not the best idea because there's snakes. But we shall find out. Oh, that's a cool frame right here. It's a very cool frame. A little bit of a jungle vibe. I really like how this palm tree looks over there, but we need some foreground, so we're gonna go over here. A bit of a foreground. Right, the tide is way too high, so we're gonna go into the jungle and hopefully look out for snakes and things like that. Looks pretty clear right here. Let's find out. Yeah, that's alright. That's kind of super cool, eh? Look at this frame with Bruce in the middle. Proper Mentawai dogs. Yeah, this is dope. Okay, this frame is actually sick. I'm also shooting everything with the 85, and I'm shooting everything at 1.4 just because I like the way 1.4 looks in general. There's that little hut over there that's very cool, very cinematic. Let's see if we can get a cool shot of it. Maybe with this kind of dead palm trees. A bit more depth, maybe. That's right. These shots look actually good right now with this palm tree over here, but I don't know how to get it because it's a bit. I need like something more now. I would need like I don't know, like a 50 maybe to get this shot, but okay. Right, a little trick. You probably just saw it, but I do that every time when I want to take a vertical photos and I'm on an 85mm lens. What I do, I take a photo up, middle, down, and then I stitch them in post because it just looks better to have a, you know, like a panoramic vertical photo rather than just having a vertical photo that doesn't fit. Oh, that's kind of sick too. Those dead palm tree over there. Ooh, with the spray, that's sick. Yeah, I want to get that, but on a better angle. I have to make that. I think there's a sick frame over here actually. If I go, yeah, there is. Shoot down this way. Ooh, I just missed it, but you guys probably seen it. Trying to get that spray. I got it. I had to kind of stop the video because it was taking too long, and this little thing only records for like 25 minutes, and I don't want this video to be super long, so yeah. Ooh, got some cool little palm tree here. God, I love the jungle, eh? huts. Oh, this is super cool. This little boat with the huts in the background. Oh, look at the crabbies. Perfect palm tree. I wish I could take this photo from like, well, maybe I can from here. Yeah, that's better. Yes, I have the palm tree and that looks sweet. Ooh, that's sick again. But those palm trees are just so cinematic. Something about it, eh? Sorry guys, I have to take, oh, I just missed the shot. Yeah, I think I got that. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I want to get this ray over here. Oh, look at this, guys. Maybe we can get a quick pan. Oh, if I got that, oh, that's actually sick. Oh, I got it. Look at this one. Fuck, that was some flex, eh? Set this back to 1.4. Yeah. Don't you just love to shoot? Oh, that's a frame now. Oh, look at this one. With the boat coming through. Need some splashes and we set. Fuck yeah. That was sick. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's try to shoot this from this other side. It looks sick. There's some like cool, shut up, bro. There's some cool like splashes over there to just match the competition. These hats are pretty cool. Oh, that was a sick splash. Let's get this splash again. Alright guys, we got a sick composition right here. Look at that palm tree coming out and this old palm trees on the back. It just looks amazing. We just need a wave. We just need a wave to make some big splashes and then we fucking set. There's so many mosquitoes. I really don't want to get wet or get my camera wet. It looks like this tide is going on very quickly. So full shot of Bruce. So yeah, I think we might just finish this here. Go back to the room, edit it, and see what we got. I hope you guys can actually hear me. Let me actually turn.